Imagine living in the scorching desert without electricity. This lost civilization didn't just survive. They engineered their own natural air conditioning over 2,000 years ago. These incredible structures are called windcatchers. Elegant towers standing on rooftops, ingeniously designed to trap the wind and funnel it down into the homes below. Here's the genius part. The open side of the tower faces the prevailing wind, catching even the slightest breeze and forcing it down a large vertical shaft. This created constant airflow. Often, the shaft would pass over a cool underground water basin, chilling the air even further before it circulated through the home. The result? Interior temperatures could be shockingly lower than the blistering heat outside. A masterpiece of sustainable engineering, forgotten by time for centuries. What other lost technologies are waiting to be rediscovered? Comment your ideas below and subscribe for more secrets of ancient engineering.